It doesn't look too bad right there, but it is really deep out there.
Yeah.
Where the truck was stuck at. So we got hit with a blizzard last night. We're gonna see if Waggo can make it out. I had to make this custom intake for it so we don't get snow sucked up into the turbo. We just got a 4-inch 90-degree coupler right here with an air filter, so that should help keep some stuff out of the motor. But we're gonna see if she can make it through the snow. It is still really low to the ground. I haven't raised the car up at all. So the intercooler is gonna be a snow plow today. We'll see if she can make it. That's honestly so sad.
Yeah.
Jamie saw me get stuck in my truck right there.
Yep.
And we had to...
Right there.
It took us like, what, like 5-10 minutes to get it out?
Yeah.
And Waggo just goes right through it. And you can clearly see that the bottom of it's scraping too. Yeah. It went through like nothing. It wasn't even hard. That was nothing for it. Dude, Waggo does so good in the snow.
Oh yeah, it's great. Are just packed full of snow.
Are they?
Yeah, it's great.
Yeah, I can't rev it up very hard still.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Those intake air temps are gonna be nice and cold.
Yeah.
It's really deep over there.
Yeah, I could tell.
Really deep.
Came in a little crooked there.
Yeah. I gotta get it though.
Yeah.
That's some deep snow just for it to go right through that.
Yeah.
Oh shit guys, look what's at the front door. Got some more race car parts, letting Waggo warm up right now. But I'm gonna get these boxes loaded up and then we're gonna be heading over to the shop. All right, so we're back at the shop and we've been getting some more done on the lift. We got the hydraulic motor and reservoir mounted up and we started to run the hydraulic lines to each side. Those go to these cylinders right here. And that fills those up with fluid and that in turn lifts our thingy right here, which will lift our car. And we also got these cables ran back here. These are like the equalizer cables. Those make sure that both of these come up evenly with each other. So we spent a good couple hours doing all that. Fong was actually here helping us earlier, so thank you, Fong. Forgot to thank him while he was here. But yeah, he was helping us out with that. So now all we need to do is get this thing wired up. We still need to put the arms on it. We need to put the bar up here for the safety switch. So when the roof of the car comes up to the top of the lift, it will shut it off. And we still need to finish drilling all our holes to mount it down to the floor right there. But she is coming along. We're getting closer on that. But we're taking a break for now. And as you guys saw earlier, we got some boxes. And I brought those over in Waggo from Piston.
Those are the ones, dog.
That's what we've been waiting on. So I think we're gonna go ahead and tear into those and show you guys what we got.
So excited for what's in here. You ready?
Are we doing this together? Yeah, let's just open them up. So these are our boxes from Piston that we've been waiting on. Show you guys what's inside. Woo! Some Piston hoodies.
Yeah. And actually, this is large, so that might be my box.
Yeah, this is XL.
Here's yours, bro.
Hey, now it's clear.
Yeah, I needed another hoodie too.
Yeah, no, I was starting to need one. All my hoodies are getting beat up.
You got
so
paint on that one.
that one's next.
Damn, 4 Pistons, bro.
Yeah, with the t-shirts too. Oh,
Oh, I like that.
I like that too.
I like that a lot.
the kill on the sleeve.
Yeah,
These must be the new ones that they just came out with. These are sick.
those are great.
Amelia doesn't have one in his box, but we should have two. This is our first one. We got a 4-piston oil pump. We'll go into more details about these guys later on. These are aftermarket. They outperform the stock ones by quite a bit. But that's our first little piece.
Going over 9,000 RPM, it's a must.
Come over here and look at this, bro.
Woo! Woo! Oh
We've
man.
never had any head work done on the channel.
No,
Any of the
none.
cars.
No.
Head for Hondaru. Oh dang. Woo, look at the valves under there.
That is gorgeous, man.
Those are beautiful. Look with the logo. The 4-piston logo on the side.
These are the real deal, dude.
There it
Got
is.
the logo.
That's great.
Hell
Dude,
yeah.
I can't even believe it.
So Freya actually came on board with our builds too, and they're really good friends with 4-piston. So he just went ahead and sent everything to him, and then they already put everything together for us. So all we got to do is put our cams in now, put top stuff on, and we're ready.
The
to
drag
go.
cartel cams.
The drag cartel.
Jeremy's the man.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
He's
Zeke at
awesome.
Freya, he was the one that hooked us up, and then
Yeah, we got. Yeah, so we have Freya.
So it's
working
Freya.
with 4-piston.
Yeah.
They sent everything over to 4-piston, and then 4-piston assembled the heads for us, cleaned them up, obviously did all the CNC porting.
And then drag cartel with the cams. And which cams did we go with?
the stage 2s.
Stage
They're
2?
just the 2.2 endurance. They're not crazy cam for right now, but if we need more air, then we'll upgrade them later on.
Freya, dual valve springs, retainers, valves.
Looks gorgeous.
Never had a head so brand new like that.
Dang.
There, damn, look at the porting.
Yeah.
That is beautiful. Can you see down in there pretty good?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Dude, you only get it from like this angle.
Amazing.
Look at that port job.
They're so beautiful, bro. I just
So beautiful.
kind of just want to hang them up, not even use them.
Put them on the wall. The whole Ferrera valve train. Damn, even the exhaust ports.
Exhausts are just gorgeous.
Completely ported. Do you think they'd be mad if we just had Fawn go to town with his little grinder and dimple him?
Probably.
Yeah, no,
We ain't doing it.
no, we're gonna leave them. And then the valves on the bottom.
Yeah, these heads
Look
did
at that.
not look like this when we sent them to
No.
No, they were dirty.
Not at all.
They cleaned the hell out of them.
look
And this surface is so important to keep nice. So 4-piston coming through, man.
Freya
Yeah.
and 4-piston.
Luke and the boys. It's awesome.
Making the boys go fast.
Yep. Oh, look at that.
Those are sick.
Yeah, any K-Series going over 9,000 RPM, this is a must.
The 4-piston oil pump. Yeah, that one's yours.
Hell yeah, dude.
Well, there you have it, guys. We now have the cylinder heads for both the Hondaru and for the MR2, along with 2 oil pumps, straight from 4-piston. Can't thank 4-piston enough for helping us out with our builds. And they partnered up with Ferrera with the valve train. They assembled everything for us. The heads have been completely refreshed. Everything has been gone through. They have new valves, new springs, retainers, everything. CNC port work. These heads are going to put in work. So can't be more excited. These were kind of like the last piece of the puzzle. We have all the motor parts for Hondaru, all the motor parts for the MR2. We're just waiting on the rotating assemblies to get balanced and back to us, which should be tomorrow. And then we can go from there, start getting our motors together, get them back in the cars, get these things running, and hopefully we can make more power than we ever have before. So really excited, and yeah, I don't know, you have anything else to say?
No, I'm just excited, bro.
Just excited?
Excited to get these motors
All
together, you know?
merched out.
I know, you're all
Piston.
swagged out, got the hat.
Got the kill on the sleeve.
I'm jealous my sleeve don't have a kill on it, but it's cool.
For some reason, Amelia said he didn't have kill on the sleeve.
Man, like I feel like the MR2 is gonna kill Hondaru now.
Like MR2 is just going to be like, yeah.
That's
Can't be
awesome.
More excited. It is awesome. I mean, we did a little baby montage. You guys can see how good these parts are. The quality is just unreal. The porting is crazy. And
There's a
like
lot of work in these heads too.
yeah, no, these These are what the fastest guys out there are running. World records are set with these heads. All the fastest Civics, sport front wheel drive, the all wheel drive Civics, they're all running 4 piston heads. Nothing can compete with them. And that's why we're going with them as well.
They perform, dude.
Yeah, they perform.
So if you guys are trying to make some power, then you already know where you got to go to.
And they're just so beautiful. Can't stop looking at them.
I'm going to take one home and use it as a pillow tonight.
I don't think that'd be a very comfy pillow, but cuddle it all night.
Just cuddle it.
Oh, they're just so freaking beautiful.
Once we get these cars together, bro, I can't wait to hit the track.
Honestly, I'm praying for Hondaru's transmission.
Yeah, me too. Me too, bro. But a lot of people's made power on those, so I'm not really too worried about it.
I mean, if
at 800,
yeah, if we're making 800 in Hondaru, it should be all right.
Not been done before on an STI, you know.
Yeah, people have gone mid-8s on the stock training.
Yeah,
so if you're going 8s, we're doing something right. We got to get Hondaru in the 10s first.
Yeah, I'm going for 10s first.
10s.
Anything faster than 11.3, because right now, what is it? Yeah, it's 11.3.
11.3 at 123 or something.
Something like
is your personal best.
Yep.
All right, we almost forgot. We actually do have another package to open up real quick. This one is from Astro Tools. Let's see what they sent. Damn, they hooked it up.
Damn, man, I just bought a light too. Damn it.
You just bought one from the Mack truck. Well, here you go.
Here's another one.
Right.
These are awesome.
Hell yeah. So this is a care package from Astro Tools. They're hooking the shop up with some new stuff. Thank you guys so much. Looks like we got some flashlights. If you guys are watching Brent's videos, PFI, they also got some stuff from them as well.
We got some screwdrivers.
Some screwdrivers, some swivels.
Oh yeah, they make all kinds of tools. I didn't know they made that many things.
Ratcheting crimping tool. For all the electric connectors and everything.
Damn, that's some serious stuff.
Oh yes, all the electrical connectors.
Definitely can use that stuff.
Yeah, no, that's probably gonna be the most important thing they sent. Test light. That's like a fancy one that has a little screen on it.
Little digital LCD wide range.
It's more than just a test light. It probably says the voltage and stuff.
I've never seen one of those.
That one looks fancy. I got some snap ring pliers. Those are gonna come in really helpful.
Yeah, because
you know how long
you made
been
those
putting
ones.
motors together with no snap ring pliers.
Remember the ones you made?
Yeah, we grinded them down. Yeah, like getting that little C-clip in the side of the piston. We've never even used a real snap ring plier.
There's some real ones now.
This is all the stuff we've needed for so long, but we're just too lazy to go get it.
Shoot, now your toolbox won't be so empty.
I know, we'll have more than just 10 mils in there.
I want a tap and die.
And a tap and die kit.
Yeah.
That's gonna come in handy. Metric for our Hondas. But yeah, huge thanks to Astro Tools for this care package. Can't thank you guys enough. Be sure to go check them out. They ain't got the motor in there.
Oh yeah, man.
It's coming along.
Heck yeah.
Oh yeah, it's about time.
Right?
H2B all-wheel drive CRX.
Sits in there pretty nice, I'd say.
Yeah.
Factory EK transmission mount and the CRV mount, and then factory EG driver mount.
It works, man.
Yeah.
Had to do some engineering because no one's done that before.
Got the little piece and stretched it out.
Oh, you had to widen the mount out?
Yeah.
That's sweet, man.
It's rad.
Is that just a rear mount from Innovative, you said?
Hasport.
Oh, that's Hasport?
Yeah, that's Hasport. I had the Innovative over here, but that's just what we had at the house.
And that's just a regular H2B mount?
Yep, that's their no, that's their B all-wheel drive mount.
Oh, their B all-wheel drive mount?
B all-wheel drive transmission mount, yeah.
You just kind of made, so that's the only thing that just worked without having to modify?
Yep.
So you got that one on there?
That's where I started. That's my starting point.
Yep. Started with that one, then you made these two side mounts from there?
Leveled it out, measured it all up. Got it.
She's in there.
Yeah.
You getting excited or what?
Oh yeah, I'm stoked.
Now you got to get it running. Dude, this thing has been in the works for so long.
So long.
But now you finally got it over here.
Longer than I've worked for my dad.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Because you were going to just go front wheel drive originally, right?
Yeah.
Just H swap and send it.
Just mild build, pretty much switch your hatches, and then it just kept escalating.
Then you discovered that you
kept getting more parts and
found out you can put the B all-wheel drive tranny on there.
I went to World Cup, really.
That's sweet. Oh yeah, and then you got the half shaft adapter piece back there.
Yep. I made sure it all fit with the motor going in.
It's awesome.
It's way cool.
Just need to Bondo up the bay and get it repainted.
Just make it all seamless.
Make it pretty. That's sweet, dude. Excited to see this thing go. I don't think anyone's seen the intake that Sean made for it too. That thing's pretty
I've
sweet.
gotten a lot of comments, but no one really I haven't really posted much about it.
Yeah, Sean made him this intake manifold right here, and then Preston hydro dipped that for you.
Yep. It's pretty goofy.
Yeah, that's awesome. Goofy built Shane.
That's what's up.
Well guys, that's really all we have for this video. We got some more work done on the lift today. It is closer to being up and operational, but still needs a few more things before we can start using it. And we got our heads in today from 4Piston. Super excited about these. They look amazing. We also got our oil pumps as well. So huge shout out to 4Piston. Cannot thank them enough for helping us out with these heads. These things are just awesome. Along with the Ferrera valve train, these things are going to rip. So really excited to finally start getting our motors together. We should have everything we need for the bottom ends back tomorrow, because as you guys know, we dropped off the complete rotating assembly to get it all balanced at a shop. So we should have all that stuff tomorrow, and we can start putting our motors together. I think we're gonna start with Hondaru, so tomorrow's video might be about that. We'll see how it goes. And yeah, I think that's about it for tonight. Also, something else I wanted to mention, we did get hit with a blizzard the other day. As you guys saw, there was a whole bunch of snow on the ground, and we took Waggo out in front of the shop. But the blizzard wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. All the news stations and stuff were hyping it up, saying this was gonna be one of the worst blizzards our state has seen in the last few decades. There was obviously still a good amount of snow on the ground, as you guys saw, but I didn't think it was too bad, so I ended up driving Waggo home the other night, and she is doing awesome in the snow. I was so happy to finally get this thing in the snow again, because that's what I had always loved doing with Waggo. If you guys watch the early videos, you know that we take this thing drifting all the time. And that was like one of the best times I had in the car, is just drifting it in open parking lots in the snow. And I really did want to make a video of us drifting it, and I was getting ready to do that, but the tune is still off quite a bit, and it breaks up at high RPM, so I need to put it back on the dyno and have Brent take a look at it, or else I was going to try to make a drifting video in Waggo in the snow. But yeah, I also want to get the studded snow tires back on it and just go have some fun. That's really why I love this car. The all-wheel drive in the snow just works so good. And if you guys notice, I'm sure someone's gonna point it out, but this is probably the first time I've put an air filter on a car in a very long time. But it was a good idea we threw that air filter on there, because as I was driving it down the road going past other cars, they were flinging up some slush and stuff, and I'm glad none of that got sucked up into the turbo. But I mean, for driving it in the dirty snow, the side of the car got pretty beat up, but the engine bay is still pretty clean, so not too bad. And that was after a full day of driving it in nothing but snow and slush and crap like that. But Waggo is doing awesome, guys. Just got a retuner, and I guess that's really all we have for tonight. So making more progress on the shop. Lift is almost working. Got our heads. Motors are gonna start being put together here very soon. And it's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Also, huge shout out to Astro Tools as well for the care package. Almost forgot to mention them. Really helped us out a lot. Thank you guys as well.